Hi everybody, this is Mr. McKee again with CTI 120. I wanted to go over the Packet Tracer 3.5.2.4, learn to use Packet Tracer. Alright, so when I first bring up the Packet Tracer file, which I clicked on in Netacad, right there, brings up this screen. User profile, you can just cancel out of that. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to have this on one side, and then when you open up your Packet Tracer, it's going to have the Packet Tracer desktop and then this activity window. Make that a little bit bigger. Alright. And there's your completion right there, 0% right now. Okay, so step one, we're going to create a logical network diagram with 3 PCs and a switch. Okay, and during this activity, to ensure that the instructions always remain visible, click the top checkbox in the instruction box window right here. Alright, click that. The bottom left-hand corner of the Packet Tracer screen displays the icons that represent device categories and groups, such as routers, switches, or end devices. Move the cursor over the device categories to show the name of the category in the box. And this is what they're talking about right here. Alright, let's just grab that and make it a little bit bigger. Alright, right down here, you got network devices, end devices, connections, some other stuff. Alright, and under network devices, down at the bottom, you have routers, switches, hubs, stuff like that. Alright, so first thing we want to do, select end devices right here. Looks like a computer in a server, and it has IP phones, stuff like that. Alright, drag 3 generic PCs to your desktop. Alright, there's my 3. Separate them a little bit, give you some room for your switch. Alright, select a switch from the options in the bottom left hand corner, and the switch is under network devices and then switches. And then it says we want the 2960 switch. Drag that up in the center. Alright, so select connections, which is the little lightning bolt right there. If you mouse over these, it tells you right down here what type of cable they are. Automatically choose connection type: console, copper straight through, copper crossover, fiber, things like that. Alright, so we want to go to connections, choose a copper straight through cable, which is right here. Click that. It gives you a little circle with the X through it of what you've selected. Okay, click the first host, which is PC0 right here. Select Fast Ethernet 0, since it only has one network card, it only has one interface. Alright, drag it over. And I'm not clicking my mouse button, I'm just moving my mouse. Alright. If I mouse over this and click the switch, it asks me where I want to connect that to. And I want to connect that to the very first Fast Ethernet 01 switch. Right there. Alright, and you see how my completion's gone up 10%, so I've done that correctly. Alright, then it wants me to repeat step C for PC 1 and 2. So I want to click the straight through cable, click PC 1, select adapter, select 02 for that one. Alright, go down here again, select PC 2, select the switch. Alright, and it's going to take a little bit, but while all these computers and the switch converge together, is what they call it, you can hit the fast forward time button, and these all should turn green, all those circles. Alright, so everything's green, everything's good to go. Completion rate's 20%, we're doing good so far. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Step 2, actually it says right there, there should be green dots at both ends of each cable connection after the network has converged. If not, double check the cable type selected, so we're good to go. Alright, configure host names and IP addresses on PCs. Click PC 0. Alright, this window pops up. Alright, click the config tab. Alright, change the display name to PC-A. Alright, select Fast Ethernet tab, which is right here. Actually, it says Fast Ethernet 0. Alright, I want to put in the IP address right here, 192.168.1.1 for the IP address. If I tab down, automatically fills in if it's a classless IP address. Alright, and mask. Alright. Close PCA with hitting the X. Alright, let's go to PC1. Do it again, config. PC1 is going to turn into PCB. Alright. Hit Fast Ethernet 0 again. Type in 192.168.1.2. Tab. Alright. Classical mask. Automatically types it in for us. Alright. Close that down. Click PC2. Go to config tab. Alright, this is going to be PC. Alright, go down to Fast Ethernet 0. Type in this IP address, 192.168.1.3. Tab down. Make sure that subnet mask is correct. Alright, we're good. Alright, and if you've noticed, our completion is 100%. So we've done everything. Now we want to check and see exactly what Packet Tracer does with all these, with this configuration. Alright, so we go down to step 3. Observe the flow of data from PCA to PCC by creating network traffic. Alright, and we're on real-time mode right now, the bottom right of the screen. If we click on the tab right behind it, that's the simulation mode. And just to make it a little easier, I'm going to click this, drag it a little bit. Alright, so it wants us to click Edit Filter. And actually I want to do show all or none to get rid of all that stuff that was in there. And if I go to Edit Filters, all I want to do is check ARP and check the ICMP selections for the filters. Alright, select a simple PDU or protocol data unit. Click the simple one. Alright, see how my cursor is now looks like an envelope with a plus on it. Alright, so we want to select PCA. Alright, and now let's put a little envelope there, and then go to PCC, click the envelope, click there again. Alright, now it's creating some protocol data units for us. I was going to say packets, but that really is not what that is exactly. Alright, so notice the two envelopes are positions beside PCA. One envelope is an ICMP, which if you look up here, I guess that's like aqua blue is the ICMP packet, or ICMP protocol data unit, and the ARP is the green. Alright. Alright, let's see. Select Auto Capture Play, which is right here. Below the Auto Capture button is a horizontal scroll bar. This can speed it up or slow it down. The simulation. Alright. So if you go this way, it's faster. This way, it's slower. We'll keep it right in the center. Alright. And we're going to do, let's make sure, select Auto Capture Play. Let's click this, and we'll watch the PDUs move around. I can tell that's an ARP packet. Alright. coming back. Alright. So the first thing that happened, it sent an ICMP PDU and an ARP PDU went out. Alright, then the switch figured out where PCC was, and then it actually sent out a ICMP and a ICMP request back to the PCA. Alright. So we can scroll through this and see exactly what happened. This is what happened in the beginning. Went from here, and if we click on that, we can open it up and see exactly what happened. Alright. Outbound PDUs. And this shows your source, which was PCA, destination PCC. Alright. And right here, layer 3 header information, which is your IP information. If we go down here and click on ARP, same thing. The ARP is sending out a layer 2 information. And I'm going to clear that. Alright, but that shows you different stuff that's happening. Alright. And you can reset the simulation if you want to. Take it back to the beginning. Alright. So let's see, view ARP tables on each PC. Now I just reset it, so the ARP tables might not be on there, but let's go ahead and look at them anyways. Alright, click Auto Capture Play to repopulate the ARP table in the PCs. Let's let it do its thing. So let's click A, let's go up to desktop, let's go to the command prompt, let's type in ARP space -A. Alright, that's showing you what's in the ARP table, and this is actually the PCC address, IP address. Alright, let's look at the ARP tables for PCC. Go here, go desktop, go command prompt, ARP A, and that's showing PCA's address, and this is its MAC address right here. Alright, let's look at PCB. Alright. Whoops. Alright, let's stop this. Actually, let's do this real quick. ARP A. Alright, so no ARPs have been sent. Of course, if you guys see what I did, if you guys didn't reset the simulation, you guys are going to have a lot of PDUs in here, and you can click on them and you'll have more information to look at. I just went ahead and reset it. Alright, because I was getting errors that it was getting too full. You can only have so many events in there until it's actually going to get full. Alright, so let's see what else we got. Check results to verify the topology is correct. Alright, so everything is on there. It's correct. We could actually, let's back this thing. Let's reset this. Let's go here. Let's see if I can. Alright, now reset everything. Let's do ARP ICMP packets. Alright, now it's redoing everything. Alright, we're doing ICMP. So that's good. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit. You can play around with this simulator. We're not going to use the simulation a whole lot. We're actually going to use, let me just clear all that. We're going to use the actual real-time part of the packet tracer. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helped you out with packet tracer. We'll be using packet tracer in a lot of the classes, so the more you know about packet tracer, the easier it's going to be to navigate a lot of these courses. All right, thanks for watching.